Hello, in this video I will show you how to add a token on Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your browser in which you have your Phantom Wallet, or you can also open the application on your Android or iOS device or the application on your Windows device as well. You would have both the options. Just simply open the application. Once you will do that, you will find all your tokens right over here. Now if you want to add a token, all you have to do is just simply click on Manage Token List. And you find all the tokens right over here. Like for example, if I remove any one of the tokens, for example, Polygon. Now if I go back, now as you can see, the Polygon token have gone from over here. Now if you want to add that back, all you have to do is just simply click on Manage Token List and enable this option. Now you will have multiple type of tokens right over here. If you have many cryptos in different chains, you'll have a lot of tokens. And over here, if you choose this option, you can manage all the tokens that will appear in the home screen. All you do is just simply enable and disable them, and they will all come and go over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.